Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Soul Food with Vaishali Bhatnagar. Today we will be making savory stuffed crepes. It's a wholesome meal and it's a very different one. So let's make. We will start by making the batter for crepes. So we'll take 1 cup all-purpose flour, that is maida, half cup milk, 3/4 cup water, room temperature, 1/4 cup melted butter, pinch of salt. We will mix this together. And we have to blend it till the batter is smooth. When we see the bubbles forming on the top, we have to stop blending. So now our batter is ready. We'll keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now we are going to make the filling for the crepes. Take a pan, put the flame on medium to high, let it heat for a while. Add half teaspoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of butter. The reason we put oil before butter, so that the butter doesn't burn on the flame. Now we will add some corn kernels, these are boiled, red bell pepper, green peppers, capsicum, and yellow bell pepper. Keep stirring them on a high flame. Now we will put some chopped mushrooms. These are store-bought mushrooms. Wash them very well before you use them. And if you are allergic to mushrooms, do not put mushrooms. You can put vegetables of your own choice. You can put any vegetable which you like, which is your favorite. We put some salt according to taste. 1 teaspoon oregano leaves, dried oregano, and a heaped teaspoon of chili flakes. Our filling is dry now. It has been sauteed very well. Now we'll switch off the flame and we'll let the filling cool down. We'll take a bowl and transfer our filling into the bowl and we'll let it cool. By the time it cools down, we will make the cheese sauce. Now we will make the creamy cheese sauce for the filling while our batter is in the fridge and our filling is cooling down. So by that time we will make the cheese sauce. So we'll take 1 heaped tablespoon of butter. We'll put 1.5 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. We'll just mix it well. Let the flame be very slow. You have to stir this till the raw smell of flour goes. Now we'll put 1.5 glass of milk. Keep stirring vigorously to avoid lumps. You can increase the flame now. You can see the sauce has started coming together. It is becoming thicker. Now we'll switch off the gas and season with some oregano leaves, dry oregano leaves, and little bit of chili flakes. 2 pinches of salt, because salt we have in our filling also. So just be careful when you are putting the salt. Now we will add half cup of processed cheese. The cheesy sauce is ready now. अगर कभी लगे कि sauce थोड़ी thick हो गई है, then you can add some warm milk. So our filling is cooled down. We'll add our filling in the sauce. and mix it well. So by the time the whole thing cools down, we'll go back to the crepes and start making crepes. We will heat the pan lightly and pour 1 ladle of batter on the pan and rotate it slowly to form a thin crepe. As soon as the bubbles starts appearing, just brush little bit of butter and let it cook. There is one trick in making crepes. We do not put butter first in the pan. We'll only put the batter first so that we are able to rotate the pan and the batter sticks to the pan. If we put the batter will not stick to the pan. So when it is done, when you see the bubbles forming, then only you have to apply butter. Now the crepe is ready and we are going to take it out on parchment paper or butter paper. Likewise, make all the crepes and arrange them separately. My crepes are ready. I have made 4 crepes. From this batter, you will be able to make 7 to 8 crepes. So with the rest of the batter, you can make the crepes. Now we have stuffed the crepes in a plate and sprinkled with some chili flakes and some cheese. If you like my recipe and if you try this recipe, do leave a comment. Do like my channel, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. See you next time.